Finally, dunk like a total badass by adding up to 9 to 15 inches to your vertical jump with our proven secrets, guaranteed. Vert Shock program, the only proven 3-step jump training program that adds at least 9 to 15 plus inches to your vertical jump in less than 8 weeks. Improving your jump height can change everything about your athletic abilities, but how do you know Vert Shock is right for you? Are you tired of other crazy gimmicks to improve your vertical jump? Have you tried other things in the past with little or no results in your vertical jump? Do you want to be the center of attention in your game? If your answer to any of these questions is yes, Vert Shock could be just the program you need to help you jump higher and be satisfied with the overall results. To learn how the Vert Shock program can help you gain 9 to 15 inches to your vertical jump, be sure to click the link in the description below this video. Here is what you get in the program to explode your vertical leap: quick start guide, how to get going fast. Pre-shock phase workout plan, get your body ready to fly. Shock phase workout plan, add those inches day by day. Post-shock phase workout plan, permanent muscle integration. Step-by-step exercise videos, see how to do everything frame by frame. Vert Tracker, track your added inches easily and accurately. You will be given instant access to everything you need to jump higher, including more than 35 plus HD 1080p videos, detailed step-by-step video library, day-by-day printable schedules, bonus checklists, secret bonus content and much more. To get instant access to Vert Shock, click the link in the description below this video.